Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn this dentellini pasta into Italian beef minestrone soup, better than Olive Garden. Okay guys, so let's jump right into it, okay? Alright, you're going to need a can of black beans right here. Alright, you're going to need this is 28 ounces of pitted tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, chopped finely, half an onion. You're going to need some celery. This is 3 stalks of celery. That one fell off. This is a cup of peas and carrot, which I'm going to go ahead and put another half a cup in there, so there's going to be a cup and a half. You're going to need some beef broth right here. Of course, you're going to need the dentellini. And this is a cup of that. So we're going to put another half a cup of that in there. This right here is some balsamic vinegar. This is some olive oil. And at the end, this is some Parmesan or Romano cheese right here. Alright, for your seasoning, you're going to use some thyme. You're going to use some oregano. You're going to use some basil. And you're going to use some parsley. You're going to also use some onion, granulated onion right here. This is granulated garlic. Some pink sea salt, Himalaya. And some black pepper. Alright, and also I have over here some grounded up rosemary. Alright, that's what that is. And I'll tell you the ingredients as we go. I can pretty much tell you now, most of them going to be tablespoons. Alright, but let's go ahead and jump into it. Let me move this stuff to the side over here. This is a top beef round. That's what this is. Okay, that's like about roughly 1.5 pounds of that. And I'm going to show you what we did with this. All I did with this, because we don't want to be all day with it, is took this and cut it like in 1/2 inch, like this. Just like that. Now, this cut better when it's like frozen almost, not all the way frozen, but mostly frozen. So I did that, and then I put them on top like that. We just want bite sizes, guys. Then I did like that. Then you just take these right here, and you just cut them just like this. That's all you're doing. Okay? You do want this to be room temperature when you get to frying it. So when you get to cutting them up, just let them sit for about a good ½ an hour. Cover them up. Just like that, guys. Okay? This is how we want them. Alright? So, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And when we come back, we're going to take all this stuff over there and fry this stuff up. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. It's smoking, so we're going to turn this down just a crumb. Put some olive oil in here, like 2 or 3 tablespoons, because we got a lot of meat. Start throwing this meat in here. You gotta take this, drop it in there. You shouldn't be letting too much. Throw this around. Don't worry about it sticking and all this stuff. That's why we turn it down. You're going to put us salt. It's going to be like a teaspoon of salt. Like so. I'm going to come in with some black pepper. And like a ½ teaspoon of that. I'm about to start using teaspoon because some of you guys are thinking I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead, you know, when you sprinkle it like this and stuff, I sprinkle up high so it looks like I'm putting a lot, but it's not really as much as you guys think. Okay, that's a half a teaspoon of that. Turn this back up. Granulated garlic. We're gonna come with a tablespoon of that. See, I'll just be sprinkling all over, guys, all over. This stuff is granulated, not, you know, thick and all that stuff. So that you know, tablespoon of onion, granulated. All right. We're just gonna mix this up. Get all this stuff in here evenly. And we're gonna do this for about a good 5 minutes, guys. Okay? So till it's browned up, I'll show you how that looks in 5 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, we're gonna come in here with our carrot. You can do this in separate pots if you want to saute all your stuff first. But I'm sauteing all mine together. I want all to incorporate all that stuff in my meat. So I'm gonna put these in here, the celery, the 3 stalks of celery, and my onion, half onion, four cloves of garlic, mix this stuff up. Now this is going to take about another 5 minutes to do. Just to saute this up. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next. I'm just going to stir it every 2 or 3 minutes. And I'll show you guys what we'll be doing in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Once again, I wanted to put my basil and stuff in here as well. You go with a tablespoon of that. My oregano. Tablespoon. Thyme. Tablespoon. And I'm put a tablespoon of the crushed rosemary, but this is grounded. Alright, I just want to cook that in there before we get any further. Stir this up. You're going to get some sticking at the bottom. Don't worry about it. That ain't nothing but flavor, guys. See the sticking down there? Ain't nothing but flavor. If you want to, you can put a little bit more olive oil in here. So that's about 4 tablespoons of that. Alright. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to take that balsamic vinegar. We're going to come in here with 2 tablespoons of that. Like so. We're going to mix that up. Beef minestrone. Better than Olive Garden, guaranteed. Using. Alright. Now we're going to come in here with our tomatoes. Pitted tomatoes. Like so. Stir that up in there. Just like that, guys. See, it's starting to come from that bottom. Now, we're going to come in here with our beef stock. 2 pounds of this. And what we're going to do is let this cook, because we want that meat to be tender. We're going to put a lid on it and let it simmer for about a good 4 45 minutes. Alright, and we will be putting water in this as well. Alright, so that you know, because we got to cook that pasta. We're doing everything in one pot. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Put this lid on here and alright, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm like a half an hour into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put these black beans. I rinsed them off. Just put these in here so they can get a little cook time and get a little tender, more tender. Okay. We're just gonna let this cook for about good 10 more minutes. And then I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. 10 minutes is up. Now what we finna do here, because I did taste this, I'll taste it again. And to me it needs a little bit more tomato paste. Just go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of this tomato paste that I have in the tube. I'm going to put a dash of sugar in there. Stir this up. Now of course, if you wanted to, you can put some type of greens or something like that. That's a traditional way of making minestrone. I'm making it my way. So, you know, that's how I'm going to do it. Well, that's how I'm doing it, rather. Alright. So I want to come in here with my peas and carrots. Like so. Probably end up using like 2 cups. I thought I was going to use like 1.5 cups. But I'm going to go with 2 cups. So it'll probably be pretty much a bag of these peas and carrot. Is 12 ounces, so I'll just go ahead and use a whole bag of that. You know, since it's leaving a few on in there. Okay. Alright. So now we finna come in here with a tablespoon of butter, just to cut back some of that acidity. We're gonna let this cook, guys, for about a good 10 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Put 1.5 cups of this pasta in there. Like so. We're going to put some water in there. We try to put like a cup, 1 cup on the nose of water in there. We're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to turn it off and let it sit. And then we'll fix a bowl up for you guys. Yep, that's it right there. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm finally done. This is your thinner lentil pasta transformed into beef minestrone soup, Italian style. Better than Olive Garden. Alright, let me show you that up close. How that looks. Italian if I didn't have no garlic bread over here. So I got some of that as well. Okay. Alright guys. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell for me. Just like that. Hit it one more time. Just like that. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Much love. And I'm out of here. Enjoy. Happy eating.